Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use templates on Snack Video. Press the plus button over here on the middle and select template. Then I'm just going to choose the template I want. So I'm just going to go to Lyric and press apply to the template you want. Then select one, two, three videos or photos. So I'm just going to choose photos. So this one, and that. Then I'm going to hold on. There. Then after that, you are going to press done. And after that, you are going to press next. And wait for it to load. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!